All right, guys, one of my favorite new tools is this one right here, ASTRO 94094. This guy right here's got a clamp head right there. I'm sure there's a right name for it, but whatever. It's got a clamp head that you just clamp a clamp with it. And you can do hard jobs like these with ease just by clamping down on that guy and it'll hold. Watch this. Off camera, we went ahead and engaged this cool tool, and you can see this ratcheting mechanism right up here. It grabs it, and look at this. It's got that clamp perfectly. So I don't have to remove it off of this tubing. I can install it with it on carefully, and then just release the tool. Here it is in action, guys. It's grabbing onto that guy as I pop that tube on right on the throttle body, and check it out. Love this thing.